Good morning, Hornets. It's the start of a new week here at VCHS. We're your host, Mason.
And I'm Emerson. So let's start off with today's lunch. Today we have steak fingers, mashed potatoes, gravy, green beans, dinner roll, peaches, and a cold milk. That sounds delicious.
Why don't we take a look at today's holidays? Today is National Hug and Musician Day, National Indian Pudding Day, Sadie Hawkins Day, and World Kindness Day.
Let's take a quick glance at your top 5 news stories of the day with Michaela.
Hi, my name is Michaela Barnes. I'm here with your top 5 news stories of the day. Number 1, the city of Wichita is once again using goats to clear overgrown weeds at city parks. Number 2, KU basketball coach Bill Self signed the largest contract for public universities in history at $53 million over the next 5 years. Number 3, the Drug Enforcement Administration collected over 600 million plus pounds of drugs on the National Drug Take-Back Day on October 28th. Number 4, over 50 Kansas colleges took part in the 3-day free application initiative in Kansas last week. Number 5, winter sports practice and tryouts begin today.
Next, here's Monday's Word of the Day.
This week's word of the week is juxtaposition. The fact or two things being seen or placed close together with contrasting effect.
Want a bowl? Listen up. Here's a bowling tryout announcement.
Won a bowl for VC tryouts last week of November. The season is from January to February. The meeting is on the 17th during advisory at 7:40 in the Aux Gym.
What's your dream job? Let's see what some students have to say.
Hello, my name is Devin Humphrey. My dream job is to be a music artist.
My name is Star.
My name is Cameron.
My dream job is clothing designer
And a lawyer.
Hi, my name is Nick Neff, and my dream job is to be a pro tennis player.
Next, here's Lorna's Student Spotlight.
My name is Lorna Smith. I'm a junior. I'm involved in DECA, Pep Club, STUCCO, and dance. After high school, I want to go into business and hospitality. It's so worth it to get involved. Just make sure once you're getting involved, you know how to plan your time and don't overload yourself. So find the good balance of what is fun for you, but also what keeps you involved and gets you in those activities, because I've made a lot of different friends through those activities.
Let's take a look at some of your guys' Halloween costumes.
Who are you, Lang?
I was part of a roller coaster. We're the Parabola of Doom.
I dressed up as an orange today.
I'm the guy that runs up on your train and steals all your jewelry.
I was gonna do.
I'm Oogie Boogie.
Hi, I am a werewolf.
I'm Steve Harvey.
I'm Captain Hook. Oh.
My favorite candy is Reese's Fast Break. Mason, what is yours?
Reese's, I can't have those, but Mike and Ike's is my personal favorite.
Mike and Ike's are good. So let's see what some other students have to think.
I'm here with
Peyton sobbing.
What's your favorite Halloween candy?
Candy corn.
Thank you. I'm here with
Spider-Man.
What's your favorite Halloween candy?
Reese's.
Thank you. I'm here with
Grant.
What's your favorite Halloween candy?
Skittles.
Thank you.
1, 2, buckle my shoes. 3, 4, buckle some more. 5, 6, Nike kicks.
Next up is Macy with this week's STUCCO Corner.
I'm Macy, and here's your Student Council Weekly Update. Tonight is Financial Aid Night here at the high school at 6:30 p.m. The Board of Education meeting at District Office at 7 p.m. tonight. Tomorrow we have after-school tutoring, and we also have tutoring on Wednesday as well. Friday, the fall play will be starting at 7 p.m. You can also see the play on Saturday. There is also winter sports pictures here at the high school Saturday.
And here's Cameron with today's weather.
Hi, I'm Cameron Spall, and today the weather is going to be a high of 67 and a low of 42.
Now for a quick blast to the past. Let's wrap up with this day in history. Stay classy, VC.
November 13th, 1982. In Washington, D.C., the Vietnam Veterans Memorial is dedicated, honoring U.S. service members who died in America's longest war. 2001. Afghanistan's ruling Taliban regime abandons the capital Kabul without a fight. That allows fighters with the American-backed Northern Alliance to take over the city. It happens a month after the U.S. and Britain launch airstrikes against the Taliban, following the September 11th attacks.
You'll have to find the answer to that riddle somewhere else, but...
1998. President Bill Clinton agrees to pay $850,000 to Paula Jones, who had sued him for sexual harassment during his time as Arkansas's governor. Clinton does not admit any wrongdoing in the case, which also played a part in the Monica Lewinsky scandal that led to his impeachment. 2003. In Alabama, a judicial ethics panel throws the state's Chief Justice Roy Moore off the bench for placing himself above the law. Moore had defied a federal court order to remove his granite Ten Commandments monument from the state courthouse.
I must acknowledge God. It says so in the Constitution of Alabama. It says so in the First Amendment to the United States Constitution. It says so in everything I've read.
And 1997. In New York, The Lion King, the musical adaptation of the hit Disney film, opens on Broadway. Today in history, November 13th. Camille Bohannon, The Associated Press.